Welcome to Love Garden Care. In today's video, we'll explore a completely natural, safe, and very easy way to care for your red Anthurium at home. With just a few everyday kitchen ingredients, you can keep your plant vibrant, healthy, and naturally glossy all year round. This method requires no chemical fertilizers, yet delivers results that will truly surprise you. Now I inspect the entire Anthurium. Looking closely, I see several yellow leaves, dried leaves, and a few wilted stems. These parts no longer help the plant and even steal nutrients from the healthy growth. So I gently remove the dry leaves and wilted stems to keep the plant airy, reduce fungus, and help new shoots grow stronger. This is an important step that helps the plant recover and prepare to absorb nutrients in the next care steps. The first ingredient I use is 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. I place the coffee powder into a clean glass jar to prepare the mixture. Next, I pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water to begin extracting the nutrients from the coffee. The second ingredient I use is vitamin B1. I add 3 tablets to the jar and stir well until they are completely dissolved. Which country are you watching from? Leave a comment so we can connect with each other from all around the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to follow more simple and effective plant care tips. Finally, I close the lid and let the mixture sit for 30 minutes so the nutrients can fully infuse and become more effective for the plant. After letting the mixture of coffee and vitamin B1 sit for 30 minutes, I strain out all the coffee grounds and keep only the nutrient-rich liquid. This filtering step is important because coffee residue can clog the roots, hold excess moisture, and create conditions for mold to grow. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the mixture, making it gentler and safer for watering or spraying onto the leaves. Dilution also helps the plant absorb the nutrients gradually, naturally, and more effectively. Step 1. I use a clean cotton pad soaked in the diluted coffee and B1 solution. Then gently wipe the entire surface of each Anthurium, leaf out from top to bottom, including the underside. Wiping the leaves removes dust, bacteria, and tiny insects, helping the leaves breathe better and improving photosynthesis. Coffee contains antioxidants, amino acids, and small amounts of caffeine, potassium, and nitrogen. These nutrients absorb through the leaf surface, making the leaves greener, shinier, and naturally stronger. The natural oils in coffee also help repel mild pests, such as aphids, and reduce fungal spots on the leaves. Regularly wiping the leaves with this solution keeps the plant clean, strengthens its health, and enhances the glossy look of the foliage. Which country are you watching from? Leave a comment so we can connect from all around the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural and effective plant care tips. Step 2. After cleaning the leaves, I pour the remaining coffee and B1 solution into a spray bottle. Then, I mist the entire Anthurium, including the leaves, stems, and the surface of the growing medium. Spraying the solution allows the plant to absorb nutrients directly through the leaves, making them stronger and more resilient. Coffee provides potassium, nitrogen, magnesium, and antioxidants, while vitamin B1 stimulates root activity and supports the growth of new shoots. The natural, organic acids in coffee help suppress bacteria and fungi, reducing the risk of leaf spots, rot, and tiny pests. Spraying evenly distributes nutrients to the young shoots and growing tips, helping new leaves grow faster, greener, and shinier. This method not only nourishes the plant from the roots, but also enhances its appearance from the outside, keeping your Anthurium fresh and vibrant. Step 3. After spraying the leaves, I pour the remaining coffee and vitamin B1 solution into a small watering pot for easier application. Then I water the solution directly over the entire growing medium, allowing the nutrients to soak deeply into the roots. Coffee is rich in potassium, nitrogen, magnesium, and vitamin B1. helping the roots grow stronger, absorb water and nutrients more effectively, and boost the plant's resistance. Regular watering with this solution also loosens the soil, increases beneficial microbes, and reduces root disease, helping the plant grow more steadily. When the roots are healthy, the plant produces new shoots faster, develops deeper green leaves, and blooms more frequently. After watering, I soak the entire growing medium in the solution for about 10 minutes so the roots can absorb the nutrients fully. After soaking the plant in the nutrient solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the pot out and place it in diffused light, soft, indirect natural light. Step 4. I use a soft, clean cloth to gently wipe off any remaining water on the leaves. Drying the leaves prevents water from settling in the leaf folds, reducing the risks of fungus, mealybugs, and rot, especially in humid conditions. Once the leaves are fully dry, the plant can photosynthesize better, breathe more easily, and avoid white spots or stains caused by standing water. After wiping, I place the plant in a spot with diffused light and gentle airflow so the leaves can air dry naturally, keeping the plant fresh and healthy. With just simple ingredients like coffee and vitamin B1, we've created a completely natural plant care method. No chemical fertilizers or complicated techniques needed. With a little time and care, your plant will reward you with glossy green leaves, long-lasting blooms, and strong vitality. Anthuriums are not only beautiful but also symbolize resilience and good fortune. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support more natural plant care tips. See you in the next video.